When it comes to love, Stoicism, a Roman ancient philosophy, offers a profound and distinctive perspective within the realm of love, understanding and recognizing behaviors of the woman who loves you. Through the perspective of Stoicism can help us perceive more clearly what truly unfolds within their hearts. Women, much like men, harbor their own fears and anxieties. When in love, the fear, often reciprocated feelings, is one of the most common apprehensions. However, Stoicism encourages us to approach these concerns calmly and empathetically, ankle that the truth of Thanathor's emotions may never be fully known. So how do we recognize and assess feelings of a woman? This demands careful observation and a profound tasting of the subtle signs she exhibits, for her love is just a passionate or fleeting emotional experience, but also a journey of self-awareness and personal growth. Today, let's explore the delicate expressions of love through the lens of Stoicism, where every smile, every embrace, and every word of advice she offers carries profound significance, aiding both in progress and in overcoming life's challenges. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel to support us. Your presence here signifies your commitment to a sustainable and serious relationship, so extend your openness to receiving the message until very end. Now let's begin. Number 1. She embraces you just in UMBR1, the way you are in any loving relationship. Againly, that no one is perfect is crucial. This recognition isn't about lowering standards, but about without fostering a realistic and compassionate turns of each other. Your partner knows that you, like everyone, have flaws and make mistakes. This understanding is fundamental to both love and Stoicism, which teaches us to accept and work with human imperfections, not only in ourselves, but also in others, in the context of a relationship. This acceptance means more than just enduring others' faults. It's about actively subturn one another in personal growth and improvement. Your partner doesn't just passively accept your imperfections, she actively engages in helping you grow. This might involve encouraging you to reflect on your actions, supporting you in learning new behaviors, or simply being there as a compassionate listener when you discuss your challenges. Moreover, forgiveness plays a key role. Here, it's not about ignoring mistakes, but about understanding and moving past them constructively. This forgiving nature is deeply Stoic, as it aligns with the philosophy's emphasis on developing wisdom and virtue in the face of human frailties. So, if you find yourself with someone who not only recognizes your imperfections, but embraces them as part of who you are, consider it a profound expression of true love. This acceptance and support not only strengthen your relationship, but also encourage personal development, reflecting the Stoic belief that we can grow through and with each other in our journey toward a more virtuous life. Number 2, she does not take EONU MBR2 for granted. When someone truly loves you, they recognize and appreciate the efforts you make, no matter how small. This gratitude is a powerful affirmation that what you do matters and is valued in relationships. It's easy to fall into the trap of taking each other for granted over time, but consistence presence by thankfulness can counteract this tendency, keeping the relationship vibrant. And respectful appreciation also extends beyond simple thank yous. It involves a deep recognition of each other's needs and feelings. Your partner acknowledges that too, or an individual with your own experiences and emotions. She values your contributions not just to the relationship, but to your shared life. This respect is shown not only in private, but also in how she interacts with you in social settings. She wouldn't belittle you or make light of your mistakes in front of others, which demonstrates a profound respect for you as her partner. From a Stoic viewpoint, this behavior aligns with the principle for respecting and valuing the human dignity in each person. Stoicism teaches us to appreciate and care for others, recognizing their intrinsic value, showing gratitude and respect. Your partner is practicing these Stoic ideals, reinforcing a positive dynamic within your relations. Moreover, Stoicism encourages us to be mindful of how we treat others, advocating for a life lived in accordance with virtue, which include being considerate and appreciative of for partners. This practice helps to build a relationship where both partners feel seen, valued, and supported if your partner makes it a point to show appreciation regularly and respects your feelings and needs. It's a wonderful testament to the strength and health of your relationship. Appreciate and reciprocate this behavior for it. Fosters mutual respect and lovemaking. Your partnership ship not only enduring but also deeply fulfilling. Number 3. She's curious to a new member. 3. Learn everything about you. When someone truly loves you, they often crave to know you deeply. This isn't just about the big milestones or obvious traits that anyone could see. They want to know the nuanced facets of your personality, the quirks, your routine of preferences, and even those mundane details that you might not think matter, like how you organize your desk or your thoughts on various random topics from a Stoic perspective. This situation offers a valuable lesson in empathy and mutual support. Stoicism encourages us to appreciate and embrace the emotional alertness that strengthens relationships. And a woman seeks to know even this small details of her partner's life, an expression of her commitment and desire to be fully present in the relationship. This is about more than just emotional transparency. It's about showing that we care deeply for each other's well-being. Now, it's common to feel a bit overwhelmed by this attention to details, especially for many men who traditionally might not be as accustomed or willing to share every feeling or small detail of their lives. However, from a Stoic perspective, this sharing can be seen as a form of emotional generosity. It's not just about opening up for the sake of sharing, but about nurturing trust and intimacy in the relationship. Let's take a simple example. Imagine you're working on a hobby that you're passionate about, maybe model building, writing, or anything else that lights your fire. Sharing the progress, the setbacks, and the tiny victories with your partner doesn't just keep them informed, but makes them a co-participant in your journey. This aligns beautifully with a Stoic ideal of community and support within personal relationships. Why is this important? Bez, when someone knows the real you, including all those little details, it signifies a deep level of acceptance and support. It's about being seen fully and embraced, not just for some aspects of woe you are, but for the complete person. A Stoic, this is an opportunity to practice patience, express gratitude, and show reciprocal care, key virtues that enhance our lives and relationships. In essence, when we share our lives with someone, it's not just about giving information, it's about inviting them into our inner world. And when they want to know all about it, it's softened because they wish to be an integral part of that world. So next time you find yourself getting a bit irked by deep dive questions into your life, remember, it's not just curiosity, it's a way to forge a stronger, more connected relations. Let's brace this with upon us and see it as an opportunity to grow together, reinforcing our Stoic beliefs for mutual support and understanding. Number 4. She shows you're a new MBR for her main focus. When someone considers you a priority, it doesn't necessarily mean they will place you above all there. Important relationships like those with family and friends, what it does mean is that they value the relationship with you deeply and demonstrate this in thoughtful ways. Let's explore some examples of what this looks like in everyday life. She invites you to join a family dinner. It's a sign that she wants to integrate you into her personal circle, helping to strengthen those familial bonds. When she informs you about her plans with friends, it's not about seeking your permission. It's about keeping you in the loop, respecting you enough to communicate her plans. This transparency fosters trust and shows that she values her feelings and the relationship. It's important to remember that being a priority is not synonymous with being constantly available. Everyone needs their space and has other commitments. Over prioritizing someone means that when you truly need their support or presence, you can trust they will do their best to be there for you. It's about knowing that in critical moments you can rely on each other. This dynamic requires a balance of independence and partnership. It teaches us to respect our partner's other relationships and commitments while also cherishing the special connection we share with them. It's about mutual respect and understanding, ensuring that neither partner feels neglected or overly dependent. Let's challenge ourselves to demonstrate this kind of prioritization in relationships. It's about more than just spending time together. It's about making that time meaningful by showing through actions that we care deeply about each other's feelings and daily lives. By doing so, we nurture a relationship that is balanced, healthy, and respectfully led by a deep sense of mutual trust and understanding. Number 5. Xianyu Mipi. I5 uplifts and stands by you as you chassis or dreams. Imagine your partner not only caring you on, but also actively helping you navigate the challenges that come with chasing your dreams. This goes beyond mere encouragement. It's a robust support system built on love and shared aspiration. Hey, it's pursuing a new career, a creative endeavor, or personal growth. When your partner stands by you, it amplifies your strength and determination. This support can be crucial during moments of doubt or uncertainty. Stoicism teaches us a boost power of inner resilience and theme ports of supportive relationships in fostering this strength, just as Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, wrote, a boost power of supportive friendships. In achieving philosophical progress, so too can a loving relationship propel you towards our personal goals. Your partner's belief in you can serve as a daily reminder that you are not alone in your aspirations. Their support isn't just emotional, but often practical, helping you to stay focused, motivated even when the going gets down. This type of partnership can be transformative, essentially embodying the Stoic ideal of mutual growth and improvement. So if your partner is your cheerleader, consider yourself fortunate to have someone who not only loves you for who you are, but also believes in who you are can become. This is a beautiful part of a loving relationship where both partners strive to bring out the best in each other, reinforcing the Stoic belief, the virtue of supporting and elevating one another in life's stage. Journey, treasure, and cultivate this relationship dynamic, for it is through such supportive love that we often find our greatest strength and achieve our most ambitious dreams. Number 6. She stays with you and you. MBR 6. Through thick and thin, picture the scenario where life throws its toughest challenges your way and you find yourself struggling to maintain your self-esteem. In such times, a partner who truly loves you isn't just a passive spectator. Instead, they become more active in their support, helping to lift you up when you feel down. This dedication to helping you maintain your self-esteem and reminding you of your inherent worth is a testament to the depth of their love and understanding. From a Stoic viewpoint, this behavior reflects the virtue of constancy and loyalty. Stoicism teaches us to remain steadfast in the face of adversity, not just individually, but also in how we support others, just as a Stoic might view challenges as opportunities for growth. A loving partner sees these hard times as moments to strengthen the bond, reaffirm their commitment. In these difficult periods, your partner doesn't merely stay. They believe in you, they remind you of your skills, your goodness, and your worth, often seeing in you what you've temporarily forgotten. Their belief isn't blind, it's rooted in their deep knowledge of who you are, reinforcing your ability to overcome and emerge stronger. This idea that true love sticks through thick and thin isn't just a romantic ideal. It's a practical manifestation of love's power to provide stability and hope. It's about more than weathering storms together. It's about using those storms to build a more resilient and loving relationship. So if you find yourself supported by someone in such a steadfast manner, cherish it. This level of support not only helps you regain your footing, but also deepens the love and trust between you, embodying the very principles of endurance and resilience that Stoics strive to cultivate in all aspects of life. Number 7. She shares her UMBE's 7 vulnerabilities with you. Vulnerability involves opening up about things that are deeply personal or sensitive, sharing thoughts and feelings that we often keep protected for your partner. Areas where she feels vulnerable light include discussions about work-personal friendships or family dynamics. These are aspects of her life that, when shared, can reveal her fears, hopes, and insecurities. From a Stoic perspective, the act of being vulnerable is not just about emotional exposure, but about courage and strength. Stoicism teaches youth that true strength includes being aware of and accepting our own vulnerabilities. When your partner shares their vulnerabilities with you, it's not just an act of emotional openness, but also a testament to her strength and her trust in you. This process of sharing vulnerability can greatly deepen your connection. It requires a lot of energy and bravery to reveal parts of oneself are usually hidden. Stoicism values virtue of courage, which is vivid light and straighted when someone decides to share these delicate parts of their time, greatly parts of their life with you. It's a gesture that they do not just casually. It's rooted in genuine feelings and a deep-seated trust. Moreover, being vulnerable with each other fosters a supportive environment where both partners can grow. It allows you to understand and support each other in more meaningful ways, fostering a relationship where both partners can evolve and improve, reflecting the Stoic goal of continuous personal development through authentic and supportive relations. If you're in a relationship where both you and your partner can share and embrace each other's needs, value and nurture this dynamic, it's a strong foundation for a relationship